All right, Brad. This is just for you. Cotton ball. Cotton ball. Cotton ball, cotton ball. Vaseline. Ew. Ew. Very Vaseline-y. Oh, Christ. It feels like I'm doing weird sexual things with, I don't know, some kind of alien. There, I made 6. Look at me go. Woo! What's going on? Carrie, going camping. Went off the highway and I've found interesting things. Someone is off in the distance there shooting a gun at I don't know what. Look at this insanity. Oh my. Many people come here and shoot things. This is just empty shotgun shells everywhere. Pretty impressive beaver dam right here. And then this spot right here is sketchy looking when it comes to my car. And getting up there might be an issue. That's actually really impressive. That's probably 3, almost 4 feet up. And like this whole entire little lake is basically being held back by the work of beavers. I don't know. I do not know. This is a lot more promising in terms of not seeing gun casings or bullet casings everywhere. And this could actually be a nice little spot right in here, actually. I said actually twice. That was weird. What is this? Okay. Hello? Kind of pretty. I brought stuff with me to potentially do some fishing. So this is actually a decent looking little lake for possibly doing some of that. And someone even has a tiny little dock. To get one of those shots eventually. Jeez. I did something different than last time. This time I full on knew I was gonna have my car and stuff, so the mud on my tire right now. Jesus. So I brought not just my hammock. I have a tent behind there. Look at that. Get out of my way. I see resources. Oh my. Look at that. That's beautiful. And there's a bunch more. In here for now. All right, so let me just do a little walk around here and see where exactly I think I want to be. I have no idea if anyone's in that camper thing or if anyone's coming back to it. So I prefer to not be right on their doorstep kind of thing. That's all some pretty thick looking bush right there. This could possibly work. There's just some ferns I need to clear out. Okay, I'm gonna grab my car and move it over to here. Tires covered in mud because there was one mud hole I went through coming down that trail that I should have recorded it. It was sketchy. That would have been very, very, very bad if I got stuck. I don't know what I'd do. I'd probably end up calling a tow truck and paying a bunch of money. That's what I'd do. No, 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 no. Well, I hope everyone's having a great day, because I'm not. Yeah, that just happened. Going through there. I'm not impressed with myself right now. Also not really surprised. Like, stuff's gonna go wrong. It's gonna go wrong for me. I like this spot right here. It has potential. Grab that tripod, but that's okay for now. All right, now let's just like stick you there. Oh, it's a nice breeze today. I like it a lot. Ferns are delightfully easy to remove. Not sure what these berries are, but I'm assuming they're not safe. They look kind of like blueberries, but like way more vibrant. All right. You know what? Makes me kind of sad, but there's a whole bunch of little pine trees around here. Taking out this one won't end the world. It'll end this one pine tree's world, but it'll go back to nature. This is actually a reasonably flat place. You know what? Why not? I brought my hammock and stuff, but no need to. Why not go tent camping this time? Switch it up. We're doing it. Oops. All right. Different angle. All right. I'm shocked. Absolutely shocked. Freaking thing. Relatively long poles. Come on now. Halfway there. This is the little one for the rain fly, which I don't think I'm going to need tonight. It's supposed to be pretty nice. A little better than last time. Not that anything really went wrong last time. Like, stuff into my car is already way more than has ever gone wrong before. Boom. Make sure I got room to get it all expanded and stuff here. There. That should do. Random stuff from last camping trip in there. Last camping trip and this thing was a while ago. I think I want to try doing some fishing. So let's go. Not gonna lie, it's been quite some time since I've been fishing. Still no activity at this very random little trailer. I have no idea if anyone is here or lives here or will be here. Like, assuming someone's not here because that's closed, like brace closed. Yeah, that is very weird. Alright. There's a good sign. First cast and I'm already in some weeds. Watch out for that. Jeez. The frickin' weeds again. It's not going the way I want it to. You know what? I'm gonna try this dock thing, maybe. It's not sketchy at all. Can I get a good cast here, please? Nope. Wow. A bit better. Still right into the weeds though. Jeez. This thing just sinks like a rock. Would you not get wrapped around the thing like that? Please? I beg of you? I have no idea if there's fish in this lake. It Definitely looks big enough. No idea how deep it is, but it's a nice looking lake. Nice to bring my kayak or something, go across and camp over there or something. That'd be cool. No weeds! Getting back into the swing of it. No bites, no nibbles, no nothing. Oh my God, that almost went to the shore. The wind. Every cast. Oh, knocked the weeds off that time. I don't think they're gonna happen, unfortunately. My coworker, Bradley, suggested that I make up some cotton balls that I've impregnated with Vaseline. Should potentially catch a spark. And then into there with some sticks. Fastest fire I've made yet, hopefully, kind of thing. Oh, that actually worked. All right. Let's see what we can do. Try using the actual striker, why not? Okay. Okay. Nothing's going in there the way I want it to. It might be starting to go. Oh, there we go. Fire! Oh my! Should use some of this actually. Come on, baby. There's still flame in there. Mosquito repellent. It really wants to go. Okay. That was hilarious. That was pretty suspenseful. Going nice now. My mom knows I like random weird spicy things, so she got me this, and I figured what better time to try it than now. So I've got my kettle pot thing, my little bowl, that tiny bit of ash flavor, never hurt anybody. So let's crack this open. Doesn't smell spicy. Make sure and rinse that out so it doesn't smell. And let's just use that little table thing. This one stump here is just destroyed. Ow. It's almost like fire's hot or something. Who knew? Stuff in there. Sure. Nice and don't grab it by there ever. That seems pretty level. Okay. And I got other new toys. I got a titanium spoon and spork. Spoon and spork. Yep, not spoon and fork. Nope. That's pretty cool. You can go like this, and they become tongs. So, thought it was kind of cool. Make sure and keep this stirred up. You know, burning on the bottom would not be great. Starting to steam a little bit. Thinking ahead this time, I even brought some hot chocolate and some oatmeal for the morning. So, should be a nice breakfast. Let's start to boil. That'll do it. I couldn't be much more full. Oh, what? He going down, people of the world. Ghost pepper, Campbell's chunky chicken noodle soup. Yeah, I have a camping channel now. This is insanely spicy. Should have brought some milk. It is tasty though. Kind of hot too. Wait, temperature hot. And spicy hot. Oh yeah. Big pieces of wood like that last way longer than small sticks. Having a great time. Aside from the stupid damage to my car, it was not smart. Water, head rake, sweat. Oh, wow. really good, but it's really spicy. My lips are kind of numb. Started to get a bit late, about 8:30 or so. Got my bear spray just in case. Had that with me last time. I don't think I showed it off or anything, but almost time to get in my sleeping bag. Curl up and read a book or something for a little while. Just like so much other stuff that I forgot to show off last time, this is my sleeping bag. It's called the Selk bag. My camera's not straight. Yeah, it's got like a hoodie. The booties are removable. I got hand things. This is a sleeping bag that I can just walk around in. I love it. Also dark enough now I can probably show you this thing working. Light up my life. This is remarkably cozy. I love this. Well, my light seems to have died or something. I don't know what's going on. I've tried to charge it. I've got my headlamp here still, and I got my phone if I really come down to it, but it's about 10:30 or something like that now, and I think I'm going to go to bed. So, I'll see you in the morning. Morning. I'm reasonably far from the highway, but sound carries like crazy, and I got like garbage sleep because of all the transports and stuff. I'm hungry. Well, there we go. There we go. Maple and brown sugar oatmeal. And some hot chocolate. Yes. Oh. Pile of wood. There's your breakfast of champions. Oh yeah, the peaches add something. This is really good. This really green birch I got is burning nice and slow. That's very hot. Very hot. And no one showed up at this thing last night, so I don't know. I could have camped like right on the beach. Would have been kind of cool. Whatever. This birch wood I found is really burning nice and slow. Very hot. Alright, let's get some of this stuff packed up, I suppose. This is straight up one of the best things I've ever purchased in my life. This sleeping bag is incredible. Like, I don't have the words to adequately describe how amazing it is. So comfy. Get it into its bag. All right. This is a feature more sleeping bags need. Make it so small. Awesome. I did want to fit. I'm gonna basically let the fire burn down and we're done. Almost home time. I can't believe how much I ground off of that ferro rod in my first camping trip. And this just really doesn't lock in very nicely. It like wants to fall out. Yeah. And that's going to do it for this episode of Camping with Carrie. Hope everyone enjoyed. Thumbs up, subscribe, tell your friends, all that fun stuff. And I'll be back pretty soon. See you in the next video. Well, I brilliantly forgot to hit record. Just chopped up some firewood. You know what? Screw that. Where did... There you are. I want my B-roll. I'll get my B-roll.